Hello friends, in today's session we are going to discuss how to bake the receipt entry in TelePrime 4.0. For the purpose of baking the receipt entry in TelePrime 4.0, you have to select the voucher option from your gateway of Tele. So here there is the voucher option. You can simply press V from your keyboard for the purpose of selection of voucher option. Here you will find that accounting voucher window will appear. So here the payment voucher is appearing. Now if you want to make the receipt entry, you have to change this voucher type. So here there are the options for different voucher type. Here you will find that the receipt voucher type. So I am selecting the receipt voucher type, or you can simply press F6 from your keyboard for the purpose of receipt voucher selection. Now I will show you how to make the receipt entry in the bookshop account. So by default, the receipt entry will be the account in which money is coming up will be debited. So account in which money is coming up will be debited, and the person who is giving you the money will be credited. So I am again repeating that accounting in which money is coming up will be debited, and the person who is giving the money will be credited. So here now we are discussing the first transaction, rupees 50,000 introduced in business in a cash as a capital. So what will be the entry? Cash is coming up. So cash account will be debited to capital account 50,000. Now we are making this entry in TelePrime 4.0. So here the you have to write the voucher number. If voucher number is by default automatic, then voucher number will be coming up automatic. You cannot write here. If it will be manual, then you can write here. So here you have to write down the date. So I am write down the date 1st April 2023. Here I have to select the account which are going to credited. CR means credit. So here I have to select the account which are going to be credited. So which account is going to be credited? Capital account, because what is our entry? Cash account debit to capital account. So capital account is credited by which amount? 50,000. Now which account is going to be debited? Cash account. So I have to select from here the cash account. Here I will write down my narration. So what I am writing down here, narration, and press enter till the last. So now your entry will be saved. Now we are discussing again the second transaction. Rupees 1 lakh received from Mr. X for sale of goods in the bank. So what will be the entry? In bank, money is coming up. So bank account will be debited to Mr. X account, because Mr. X is giving us the money. So the account in which money is coming up will be debited. So bank account is debited to person who is giving money to us will be credited. So Mr. X account will be credited. So again I am making entry in my tally. Here I am writing down my date. Which account is going to be credited? Mr. X account. So X account will be credited by rupees 1 lakh. Here I have to write down the name of the bank. So I am selecting here my name of the bank. Suppose it is received in Bank of India. So I am selecting the Bank of India, and I am pressing the enter till the last. And here I can write down my narration. Suppose it will be the check number 123, and I press enter till the last. So my entry will be saved. Now again I am making the entry for the third transaction. Third transaction will be rupees 20,000 received from Bank of Baroda as a loan. So 50,000 is received as a loan. So it will be the loan account will be credited, because Bank of Baroda loan account, the person who is giving me money will be credited, and money is coming up in my bank account, that is in which my bank account will appear will be debited. So what will be the entry? Let us do entry in TelePrime. I am selecting here date 1st April 2023. Here you will see that there will be a no loan account for the Bank of Baroda. So what I will do, I will select Alt plus C from my keyboard. So Alt plus C, as and when I press, it will be appearing the ledger creation window. So Alt plus C is the shortcut for the purpose of creating any ledger during the voucher entry. I am repeating again, Alt plus C will be the shortcut for the purpose of creating any ledger during the voucher entry. So I am creating here the ledger for Bank of Baroda loan account. It will be under the secured loan. I am pressing down Control plus A for the purpose of saving this ledger. Control plus A is the shortcut for the purpose of saving any command in your Tally Prime. So now my Bank of Baroda loan account will be created by how much amount? Amount will be 25,000. So 25,000 in which account? Suppose it is received in my Bank of India account, then Bank of India account will be debited. So what will be the entry? Bank of India account debit to Bank of Baroda loan account. Here I will write down my narration, that is loan received, and press enter till the last. So my receipt entry will be saved. So in this way, in your Tally Prime 4.0, you can make the receipt entry. I hope you will understand. Thank you.